Welcome each and everyone. Today I am gonna make pepper pork stir fry, and this recipe, it's a new recipe. This pepper pork stir fry you can make for your whole entire family. Hit the subscribe button. My name is Chef Andre Henry and you're watching Chef Henry Kitchen. Open your cupboard and your fridge, grab your ingredients, and let's make this recipe. Just to the occasion, brand new recipe. Grab all the ingredients and follow along, and let's make this pepper pork stir fry. Here is all of my ingredients. I'm using pork chop and I already washed with vinegar. And if you want to see how I wash meat inside the kitchen, you can go check out one of my videos that I already posted. 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1.5 tablespoons of rice wine vinegar. For the seasoning, I'm using assorted season mix, half a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, half a teaspoon of meat seasoning, and also half a teaspoon of seasoned salt, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. I'm using cassava starch in this recipe, but you can use cornstarch, and this cassava starch was made right here in Chef Henry Kitchen. Green onion and 5 cloves of garlic, 2 regular onion and 2 sweet pepper. I'm gonna start add seasoning to the pork, and I'm gonna get gloves on. Now I have gloves on. I'm gonna start cutting up the pork chop. Just wanna smooth it out. I'm gonna cut just like this in strips. And this is the bone-in pork chops. Be mindful that there's bone inside here. So that's why I cut alongside this way, because the bone is going this way and this way. This piece right here, there is bone in this piece, so that piece stays. And this is what the strip look like. Nice and uniform. I'm just gonna add it back into the bowl. So I'm gonna add the soy sauce, and I'm gonna pour the rice wine vinegar into the honey. Now I'm gonna add seasoning, just some of the seasoning. Always remember this, save some at all time. Pot need more flavor, you can always add the rest of seasoning. Just gonna mix the rice wine vinegar with the honey. And then I'm gonna add some of the cassava starch. I just add a tablespoon of water into a bowl. I always use this to mix out the cassava starch. Just add some. And you don't need a lot of cassava starch and any meat, because this will make the sauce get thick in no time. So that amount is perfect, and you want to get it all mixed out. Now I'm going to pour it onto the pork. Now I'm going to go in with one of the gloves, and I'm going to massage the seasoning into the pork. And I can tell you, I can smell all of that seasoned goodness on the pork. Now I finish seasoning the pork, and this is what it look like. I'm gonna cover. I'm gonna place it in the fridge to marinate for 15 to 20 minutes. Time to cut up the onion and the sweet pepper. And if you notice, I change knife and I change board. Different board for different stuff. So I'm gonna start out with the green onion. Just gonna keep that one side, and for the onion, Just like that, and just like that. So it easily take apart. And the sweet peppers. One more, and then right across. And for the garlics, I finish, cut up the onion and I separate it, and I have the pepper separated and the green onion separated and the garlic. I have my pot onto the stove and I'm gonna add vegetable oil, just enough vegetable oil just to cover the bottom of the pot. I'm just waiting on the oil to get hot. The oil is hot. I'm gonna add the garlic. I remove the pork from the fridge and I'm gonna add them into the oil. I want the pork pieces to get that flavor from the garlic. I'm gonna let the pork ribs fry up for 10 minutes. It's been 10 minutes and this is what it looked like. I'm just gonna remove them from the oil. I'm gonna add the onions. The green onion and sweet peppers. And we're gonna let them go for 5 minutes. I added some water into the leftover seasoning and I'm gonna add it into the pot. And we're gonna let it go for 2 minutes before we do a taste. I'm gonna do a taste. I'm gonna add some more of the seasoning. Just all of that leftover seasoning. And I'm gonna mix it in. Now for the pork. I'm going to place the cover on. I'm going to turn the stove down and let it simmer on low heat for 2 minutes. I'm going to check on this pepper pork stir fry and I'm going to give it the final stir. I'm going to shut the stove off. I'm going to make a plate and I will see you all for the taste test. Now I have my pepper pork stir fry on a plate. And guys, I serve it with rice. And this is basmati rice. And also, I can put up my rice video up here if you want to know how to make rice and get it perfect at the first time. You can go check out this rice video I'm putting up right here. I'm going to go in for the taste test. And guys, I just finished. And I know you are hungry. I'm going to try a piece of the pork. Breaks right there. Breaks. I have to go take out some of the rice. I'm gonna try some of the rice with the sauce. To show I can do this by myself. I'm gonna take a piece so the camera person knows. Say it.
Delicioso.
Follow everything in this recipe and you will make the best tasting pepper pork stir fry ever. I'm gonna start eating. And don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.